Imagine a life where money always flows effortlessly toward you. Your wallet is never empty, and wealth seems to follow you wherever you go. Have you ever wondered why some people naturally attract prosperity while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, we'll uncover the hidden power of signs and rituals that act as magnets for financial abundance. What connects Buddhist teachings, ancient folk traditions, and modern psychological insights? You'll discover how simple actions can transform your energy and invite wealth into your life. Perhaps you're already doing something that unknowingly repels money, and it's time to change that. Stay with us until the end to learn which symbols can bring you financial success, which rituals can harmonize your monetary flow, and most importantly, how to break free from the cycle of misfortune. Ready to unlock the secrets of wealth? Let's dive in. Signs and superstitions about money in everyday life. Money isn't just paper bills or metal coins. In Buddhist philosophy, it represents energy, a reflection of our inner state, thoughts, and intentions. That's why seemingly simple things, like how we treat our wallet or organize our home, can significantly influence our financial well-being. Let's start with the wallet, which many see as just an accessory. In Buddhism and various folk beliefs, a wallet is considered a container of monetary energy. If it's worn out, dirty, or torn, it signals disrespect for money, and wealth may shy away from you. That's why choosing a wallet is more important than it seems. Opt for one that looks neat, is made of quality material, and ideally comes in colors associated with prosperity, like red, gold, or green. Each time you open your wallet, think of it as a vessel filled with abundance. Another essential aspect is keeping your wallet organized. Never store unnecessary items like old receipts, used tickets, or loose coins in a messy state. Buddhist wisdom teaches us that stagnant energy or disorder disrupts the flow of wealth. Pay attention to how you store your bills, lay them flat, avoid creases, and arrange them by denomination. Now, let's talk about your home. According to folk beliefs, your home should be a place where energy flows freely. Cluttered corners or old, unused items can create blockages that hinder monetary energy. Regularly clear out things you no longer need, especially in spaces connected to money, such as your workspace or wherever you store financial documents. Water holds a special place in money-related superstitions. In Buddhist philosophy, water symbolizes an uninterrupted flow. If you have a leaky faucet or dripping pipes in your home, it may symbolize financial loss. Keep your home in good condition to ensure nothing disrupts the energy of prosperity. Many cultures believe that certain places and objects attract wealth. For instance, in China, it's common to place a money tree or a statue of Buddha holding coins in the southeast corner of the house, as this direction is associated with prosperity. In India, lighting incense or oil lamps in places where money is kept is believed to purify the space from negative energy. These traditions are more than symbolic, they teach us to engage with our environment consciously, focusing our thoughts on attracting abundance. However, signs and superstitions are not just about the external world, they also influence our inner mindset. In Buddhism, there is a practice of meditating on abundance. This practice fosters gratitude for what you already have and opens you to receiving more. It's not enough to simply follow superstitions, cultivating a respectful attitude toward money is equally vital. Be thankful for the opportunities money brings, and view it not as a goal but as a means to create a harmonious and fulfilling life. Let's not forget that every superstition is merely a tool, and true magic begins within us. When you infuse your actions with positive intentions and faith, you activate not only the power of the signs but also your inner strength. Attracting wealth energy through symbols and talismans. Across cultures, people have long believed in the power of symbols and talismans to attract wealth. But why do simple objects, such as coins, figurines, or even plants, seem to hold the key to financial prosperity? The answer lies in the energy they carry and the intention with which we interact with them. Let's start with coins, one of the most universal symbols of wealth. In Buddhism, for instance, 3 coins tied together with a red string symbolize the continuous flow of abundance. The color red, as you may know, is often associated with prosperity, strength, and protection from negativity. These coins can be placed in a wallet or positioned in your home to draw in monetary energy. Another powerful symbol is the money tree. In China and other parts of Asia, this plant is considered a natural magnet for wealth. Its round leaves resemble coins, and the plant's growth reflects the idea of flourishing prosperity. Interestingly, you don't necessarily need a live plant. A figurine or an image of a money tree can work as well, provided you imbue it with your intentions. Equally popular is the figure of Hote, also known as the Laughing Buddha. This cheerful figure symbolizes happiness and abundance, serving as a reminder that joy attracts prosperity. According to legend, rubbing Hote's belly while making a wish will ensure your desires come true. However, such actions must be sincere and accompanied by gratitude for what you already have. What about water symbols? In Buddhist practices, fountains or aquariums with goldfish are often used to activate wealth energy. The sound of flowing water purifies the space and encourages a continuous flow of abundance into your life. But balance is key. If an aquarium or fountain is neglected, it could have the opposite effect. Now, let's talk about talismans you can carry with you. Stones and minerals, such as citron or green aventurine, are often referred to as wealth stones. These not only amplify your intentions but also help boost the confidence needed to achieve financial goals. It's not enough to simply carry a stone, it's important to regularly charge it by placing it under moonlight or holding it during meditation. Buddhist wisdom reminds us that symbols and talismans become truly effective only when their power is supported by your inner state. If you harbor negativity or fear toward money, no talisman will help. That's why, before selecting a symbol, it's crucial to work on your mindset about abundance. In essence, symbols and talismans are bridges between your inner world and the energy of the external environment. They focus your attention on prosperity and create a mindset conducive to financial success. But their true power lies in the intention you infuse them with. Remember, abundance doesn't start with objects, it begins with you. When you fill your life with gratitude, joy, and confidence, these symbols become powerful tools on your journey to wealth. Actions that repel wealth. If certain habits and symbols can attract wealth, could others unknowingly push it away? The answer is a resounding yes. Many actions, attitudes, and habits act as barriers to financial success, not because of superstition but because of the energy they emit and the mindset they cultivate. Recognizing and avoiding these patterns can open the path to abundance and financial freedom. Let's start with physical spaces. Imagine a home or workspace that's cluttered and disorganized. Piles of unpaid bills, unused items, or an overflowing trash can, all of these can energetically block the flow of prosperity. In Buddhist teachings, cleanliness is not just about physical tidiness but about clearing the mind and spirit. A clutter-free space allows energy, including wealth energy, to flow freely. Start by decluttering your wallet, get rid of old receipts, expired cards, or anything that doesn't serve its purpose. A wallet is a sacred vessel for your financial energy and should reflect respect and order. Next, consider how you treat money itself. Disrespectful actions, such as crumpling bills or carelessly throwing coins, carry the message that money is unimportant. In Buddhist philosophy, everything deserves mindfulness, even the way you handle currency. Treat each bill as a symbol of the value it represents, and you'll find yourself building a healthier relationship with wealth. Now let's discuss some common sayings and beliefs. Have you ever caught yourself thinking or saying, "Money is the root of all evil," or "I'll never be rich"? These phrases, while seemingly harmless, have a profound effect on your subconscious. Repeating negative beliefs about money creates mental barriers that repel financial opportunities. In Buddhist thought, our words and thoughts are powerful, they shape our reality. Instead of focusing on lack or negativity, cultivate affirmations like, money flows to me easily and freely, or, I am grateful for the wealth I have. Another behavior that pushes wealth away is living in a state of constant fear or anxiety about money. Fear creates scarcity, not only in your mind but in the decisions you make. For example, refusing to invest in opportunities or avoiding financial planning out of fear can limit your potential for growth. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of equanimity, a balanced, calm state of mind that allows you to see clearly and act wisely. Instead of fearing financial challenges, view them as lessons and opportunities for growth. Procrastination is another subtle but powerful wealth repellent. Delaying action on your financial goals, whether it's budgeting, saving, or seeking new income streams, sends a message of complacency to the universe. In Buddhism, the principle of right effort reminds us that purposeful action is essential for progress. Taking small but consistent steps toward financial health is far more effective than waiting for the perfect moment. One of the most underestimated wealth repellents is envy. Comparing your financial situation to others and feeling resentment creates a toxic energy that blocks your own prosperity. Buddhist wisdom teaches us to practice mudita, sympathetic joy in others' success. When you genuinely celebrate others' abundance, you align yourself with the same energy, opening the door for your own blessings. Lastly, ignoring gratitude is a surefire way to repel wealth. When we focus solely on what we lack, we overlook the abundance already present in our lives. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice and a magnet for more blessings. Begin each day by acknowledging the wealth you already have, whether it's the roof over your head, the food on your table, or the small wins you've achieved. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, creating a mindset that naturally attracts prosperity. In conclusion, the actions that repel wealth often stem from deeper patterns of thought and behavior. By becoming aware of these habits, clutter, disrespect, negative self-talk, fear, procrastination, envy, and ingratitude, you can break free from their hold and realign yourself with the energy of abundance. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about cultivating a mindset that welcomes growth, prosperity, and fulfillment. As Buddhist teachings remind us, change begins within. When you transform your inner world, your external world will follow. We've explored the fascinating world of signs, symbols, and actions that can either attract or repel wealth. From the way we treat money to the energy we create in our lives, every detail matters. Perhaps today, you've seen your habits in a new light and found inspiration for positive change. But this is just the beginning. Think of this knowledge as a key to unlocking the door to your financial success. Want to dive even deeper into how ancient wisdom can be applied to modern life? Like this video and share in the comments which sign or symbol impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on what's coming next. We're preparing something truly special, secrets that can transform your life. If this video reaches 10,000 likes, I'll share a powerful wealth ritual that works regardless of your beliefs or circumstances. See you in the next video, where we'll uncover more layers of wisdom, inspire change, and journey together toward prosperity. Remember, everything starts with you.